everyone, and welcome back to Random ASMR. Today, we are escaping the hustle and bustle and immersing ourselves in the soothing sounds of nature. Just breathe with me in and out. Can you hear them? The birds are singing the morning greetings. Such sweet melodies. Let's listen closely. A little friend just said hello. I wonder what stories they have to tell. Imagine soaring through the air, feeling the wind beneath your wings. These wildflowers are so vibrant, each one unique and beautiful in its own way, just like you. Remember, you are special, you are loved, and you are worthy of peace and tranquility. The gentle breeze is like a soft caress carrying the scent of earth and blossoms. Let it wash over you, releasing any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Even the smallest things in nature are filled with wonder. Look at this moss, so soft and velvety. Imagine the stories it could tell of seasons changing, of creatures passing by. The rhythm of nature is so calming. The steady tap, tap, tap of the woodpecker, the gentle flow of the stream, the constant song of the birds. It's a symphony for the soul. Everything feels so peaceful, so scenic. Take a deep breath and let all the worries of the day melt away. You are safe here in this moment, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Now I'll take a goodbye and hope you guys